folks, we're back in the shed today, and today's plan is to fit the front door speakers. You can see them behind me there, and these are our speakers we're going to fit from Pioneer.
You'll notice they're 6x9s, that's the factory size.
Nothing special, but better than factory. Now the first thing we're going to have to do is take the door card off, and we pop this little bit off here. Should come off nice and easy. Just like that, come flying off. The next pieces we have to pop off are the behind the door handle.
So these tools you see are just automotive interior trim removal tools, which you can just purchase on eBay for about $20.
Just comes out like that. Pretty simple. And this door trim, there's a screw behind here as well. There's a screw here, and a screw behind here. So to start from up here, there you go. Comes out pretty easy, and we've got a screw right in here. And we've also got a screw right in here. So next we need to remove this part here, where the switch is. And we'll, comes off just like that. In here there's a little plug. So this is the little plug here. We might need a little screwdriver to get it out. There you go, simple as that. And so then we'll just quickly pull these screws out. There's one here, one here, and one here. And then we should be able to just pop this door trim off.
And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and follow our adventures here at Australian Kindred.
Once you've popped off all the clips around the edges, we should be able to just lift this out. As you can see here, the door handle is connected, so we're just going to pull the door trim out of the way so we can access the speaker space. Alright, so we have this little light here, we'll just disconnect that. And try and use these couple of cable ties here to hold the door trim out of the way from the speaker space. We'll remove this wire from the speaker, little clip there, we'll pull it out, then we'll undo the speaker. We've just got these 4 screws. Pry it off with our tool. And wow, that is so light. That really is rubbish. Unbelievable. $2 speaker. So here we have the speaker spaces. Get them out of the bag. So that's what they look like. Well, let's get the speakers out. additional wire, some screws, some pretty speakers.
So here we'll attach the speaker spacer to the speaker ready to install into the door.
So we just set this up on a very low clutch setting. And that's the speaker in its spacer. So what I've done here is I've soldered on 2 wires here. I had to drill a small hole here to the cable access. So now we'll mount it up and connect it up, test it out. So now we'll solder the wires on. So put our heat shrink on first. We'll fan these out. So they're quite tortuous. Heat the wire up a bit. There we go. I don't think that'll be coming apart anytime soon. Do the same to the other one. Get a bit of heat in that wire. There we go. And you solder right through the wire. Heat shrink. Alright, we'll just test that. Make sure that we haven't got the wires around the wrong way, otherwise all the music will be playing backwards. Sounds good. Sounds very good. We'll put all the door trims back on. Put all the screws back in. Check that they're tight. get this plug back in. Make sure it's in there properly. That's fine. Put this one back in.
So I really hope you've got enough information out of this to attempt to do this yourself. If you enjoyed it, or if you've got any thoughts, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button, and we'll keep doing this kind of thing for you.
Last but not least, this little red light. And that's that.